the best 6 exercises for a firm, toned, lifted butt. Firm, tone and shape your butt. We've put together the best 6 exercises for a firm, toned, lifted butt for that perfect booty. All women want it. The perfect butt. Having a well-rounded and firm derriere is something that takes time and effort, but it can be done, and that's without the assistance of a surgeon. When it comes to building a butt, most people think squatting is enough. It isn't. You need to think outside the box. Squatting is a great booty building exercise, but it's not the only thing you need to do to isolate and shape the glutes. Below we have provided some of the best unconventional glute exercises into a fully comprehensive butt building routine that will give them the best shot at packing on some mass. Are you ready? Try 4 sets of 15 of each of the below exercises. 1. Shoulder elevated single leg glute bridge. Excellent for isolation and firing the glutes up for the rest of the workout. Lay on the floor with your shoulders against a bench, feet flat and knees bent. Raise one leg off of the ground, pulling the knee to your chest. This will be your starting position. Execute the movement by driving through the heel, extending your hip upward and raising your glutes off of the ground. Extend as far as possible, pause and then return to the starting position. 2. Single leg kettlebell deadlift. You may be familiar with the regular deadlift, but this variation really isolates the glutes and hamstrings on each individual leg. To perform this, you need to take a kettlebell that you can comfortably lift. Hold it in one hand. Lower the kettlebell down your leg towards the floor whilst raising your other leg upwards, keeping it straight. You should bend the static leg at the knee ever so slightly so you can really squeeze the upper hamstrings and glutes. 3. Narrow stance leg press. For this exercise, you need to position yourself comfortably on the leg press. Place your feet as high up on the platform as you can and have them close together. Having your feet together on the leg press will move the pressure load to your hamstrings and glutes. The positioning of your feet as high up as possible on the footplate and pressing with your heels will grow that posterior chain. 4. Sumo deadlifts. Sumos are compound lifts that really work your glutes and you will definitely feel the burn. Sumo deadlifts are an excellent move for overloading the glutes and adductor muscles. Adopt a wide stance with your toes pointed outward at about a 45-degree angle. Hold a heavy dumbbell or a loaded barbell, deadlift it upwards and lower it back down to the starting position. 5. Hip thrusts. There's no better way to activate your glutes than the hip thrust. A hip thrust is virtually a plank for your butt. It's super safe to do and incredibly easy. Lie on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through your feet and raise your hips as high as you can without arching your lower back. Hold this position for a couple of seconds, then slowly reverse the movement. You can do it bodyweight or add some heavy weights to the thrusts. 6. Barbell squats. The most famous glute building exercise of them all, the barbell squat. This move not only targets your glutes, but it also hits your quads and hamstrings too, making it a fantastic all-rounder. Hold a barbell across your back using an overhand grip. Keeping your head up and chest high, push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower your body until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, then raise back up. The routine. To really build your glutes, you should aim to train your legs in a split twice a week. This means alternate between one day training your quads, calves, and on another day training your glutes, hamstrings. Training this way will allow you to really develop all the areas of your legs equally whilst dedicating special time to growing your glutes too. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel valuable and meaningful to you, don't forget to give me a like and share button so that others will receive the same value as you. Please comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press the subscribe button below and click the notification sound to get notified as soon as I release a video.